working with JW is great. As someone who has mostly stage experience, figuring out the transition from acting on stage to acting on camera, I've learned just so many things in such rapid succession. I think it was really great.
I've had the time of my life working with JW today. He's taught me a lot. Like, you know, coming to this guy who's mainly just had stage experience, I've learned a lot.
I really recommend this workshop to anyone who wants to develop their skill as an actor.
I am J.W. Myers, and I'm a film director.
Remember that always, emotions are not thoughts, okay? Your instinct knows 100% exactly what to do all the time.
I have been working in the industry for over 3 decades. I directed a couple of films, The Pledge and A Christmas Tree Miracle. I am currently working on an 8-episode series about the opioid epidemic entitled Transition. In between jobs, I'm a professional acting coach with a specialty in camera acting and improvisation. My latest workshop is entitled Auditioning, Acting, and Having Fun on Camera with JW. It is a really fun and intense workshop, and we always attract a really great group of people. In part 1, we will do an auditioning exercise where you will learn my 5 key audition tips to get the job.
There's nothing better in a scene than making people sit in the uncomfortable.
JW has taught me so many amazing things in his workshop. Can I have my $5 now?
In part 2 of my workshop, we do lots of improv. Improv is so important in everyone's creative development, whether we are adults or kids and whether or not you pursue this professionally. Improv teaches us social skills, comic timing, it builds confidence and public speaking skills. It also teaches us adaptation and conflict resolution. The list just goes on and on.
We can do in camera work all the time. Just take our time. Take your time. Don't worry about rushing things.
In part 3, we bring everything together and everyone does a prepared scene for the camera. The final results are uploaded to unlisted YouTube links so that everyone gets a nice little takeaway from the workshop. In my experience, the way to learn effective camera acting is by doing it. You do a scene, I give you some feedback. You make adjustments to your technique, and then we film it. And then you look at the results, and you improve over time.
It's a safe environment, and I did have a breakthrough today, which is great. I actually, instead of crying and breaking down, I actually laughed until I could not see straight, and I think I peed myself a little bit.
I've been a student of JW's for about 4 years now, and I highly recommend taking his classes because he teaches a technique that fits you, not the other way around.
I'm going to tell you the truth, despite what you may have heard. There is no big secret to film acting. You just really need some experience doing it, and that's what we do in these workshops. Sign up today because my workshops fill up fast, and they all come with 2 guarantees. 1, we're going to learn something new today, and 2, we're going to have a really good time doing it. Hope to see you there.